What's up? What are you doing today?
Unboxing of the Cruiserweight Championship.
Good job. That's no way to treat a championship title. What's wrong with you? Let's take a look at it. We got the blue Cruiserweight Championship. Right there. Pretty cool little belt. I did know that they made these. I'd forgotten about it until you came home with it. Here we go. We got Be the Champ right there, and then we got little Velcro straps on here, and then we got the Raw tag titles, and we got the WWE heavyweight title. Is that what it's called, heavyweight? I can't remember. Heavyweight
Universe. WWE Championship.
Yeah, WWE Championship. You're more up on wrestling than I am, and I'm the one who watches it.
Yeah, you are just the one who watches it.
I mean, I do watch it, but I would think that you didn't pay that much attention to it. Because you're normally running around jumping off the couch acting like Jeff Hardy every time we watch wrestling. Let's see how you remember anything. Alright, well, let's get to opening this thing up. Ryder, you will need my assistance with this today.
I'm going to cut it.
So guess what? Today,
Scissors.
we're going to go up. We're going to let Ryder not handle the scissors.
Yeah.
Move your hands. Oh, let's see.
Let's cut.
Let me get this.
Let me cut.
No, sir. You are not allowed to touch scissors. Snip on this thing over here. Oh, there we go. I'll do that over here. Let's see. Oh, they make these things so stinking hard. What? This thing. Gosh. Ryder, rip that thing open. I'll cut it later. I didn't know you could actually rip it. Well, I guess that was my fault for not really paying attention because I didn't see the blue strap sticking through the other side, so of course. Don't break it. Is there tape on it?
Yeah.
Give me the... What is that? Oh, the little tab thing. Oh. Why do they have to make it so difficult?
Do you need a tripod?
I should have got it, but I didn't think it was going to be this stinking hard to unbox.
Yeah. I got this one out.
What did you do?
Get it out.
Did you really just spin it?
Yeah. I did was spin it and that's it.
All right.
But this stinking thing.
Watch your fingers. Let me get up here and cut. What? What did you do? I'll take the easy way out here. Maybe. Kind of hard to see what I'm doing while watching the camera. I'm just gonna do like Ryder. There we go. Thing knew it was no match for me anyway. Oh my gosh! What is this? This is insane. Why'd I have the scissors ready?
Why does it need to cover the Velcro?
There we go. I had to put some dad strength to it. Hold on one second. We will worry about doing that once the video's over.
Whoa!
Whoa, dude. Who is the current WWE Cruiserweight champion?
Tony Nese.
Tony Nese. You remembered that. Good job.
Yep.
You actually like Tony Nese, don't you?
Yeah.
Sit on back
That's
down.
why I got this belt.
That's why you got it, because you like Tony Nese?
Yep.
Well, that is cool. Hopefully he holds on to it for a little bit. And as you see, nothing too crazy and complicated about this. You got a plate on the left, and then you have the main plate in the middle. And you got the one plate on the right. That'd be my right. Ryder, my gosh. You're nasty.
Please put that in there.
Do what? You said please put it in there?
Yeah.
All right, I was going to edit it out for you. But if you want me to leave it in the video of you tooting, we could definitely do that. Basic kids belt. Pretty cool. Let's see right here if we can get a date on that. That says 2000, and I believe that says 17. You're silly, boy. But this is going to be it for this video. Thanks for joining us. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to throw a like on it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on all notifications. All notifications.
I took this off.
Yep, we'll fix that in just a moment. Ryder, where can they find you on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook?
Rowdy, Ryder, Rowdy.
Rowdy, Ryder Reviews. Guys, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for spending some time with us today.
Bye.